What up, everyone? This is Brian Racamontes, also known as Teleco760. Follow me on Instagram, Mixer channel, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, what up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So, last video I did the unboxing of the Redcon MRE, this thing right here, the whole meal replacement powder, and also the bars. In that video, I tried out the mint chocolate flavored one, and I tried it on the video, and it was pretty good. It was as good as like the freaking Cliff Bars. Those Cliff Bars and this brand so far I liked. All the other ones are either too thick, too dry, and not really that good. It didn't have that much sugar, so it didn't taste sweet like a chocolate bar or whatever. So because it's not candy, it's a meal replacement bar. Anyways, so for this video, we're going to mix one full serving size, which is 4 scoops, into it says here that per the instructions, 14 to 16 ounces of water or favorite beverage, shake well and whatever. So this Arrowhead water bottle, a single one, is 16.9 fluid ounces. So give or take 1 fluid ounce. But it's pretty much one of these bottles. Put 4 scoops into this amount of water. I'm gonna put it into this glass container. Put the powder in first, and then I'm pouring the water, and then I'm gonna stir it with the spoon. So let's do that. Hopefully it comes with one of those cups, the measuring cups. So let's try this out. And again, the bar was like 260 calories. So, and I've only eaten that this entire day, so I could drink this and it not affect my plans. For again, I'm not doing this for weight loss. I'm doing this to tone out, get rid of my fat. So like giving my body less than what it needs throughout the day, but it's not starving. That way, if I'm in like starving mode, my body is gonna basically, the next thing I eat is gonna store more of the energy from that. So more of the fat will be stored because your body thinks you're gonna starve. So it's like plan B. So like, it's like, oh, this guy just barely came out of starvation and he finally got food. We're gonna store that just in case he's gonna go hungry again. That's what your body does. So that's what your fat is. That extra fat that you don't need gets used up later on. And if you constantly eat or overeat, then you're gonna continue to store more fat. That's how people get fat. Anywho, so my plan is, it does come with the scoop. So I'm gonna take that out without putting too much of this powder in my freaking, on my hands. I'm trying to use as much of the powder as I can. So all you do is fill it up. If it's a little bit more than what you need, you just tilt it a little bit and just like hit it against the bottle so that it drops back in. I made a little bit of mess on this side over here, if you guys can see that. So the more mess you make, the less scoops that you have. So I need to use, I'm gonna put this on top of here. Alright, so 4 scoops. There's 1. It kind of feels like I'm putting formula, like baby formula, and like fixing my own bottle. My baby bottle, whatever. There's 2. I probably should have gotten a bigger cup. It was the closest glass freaking cup that I could find. That way it's see-through and you guys can see, it's more or less a full cup. This is the 3rd one. Oh, that was too much. And this is the 4th one. So that's a lot of powder. And I think I should probably put it in a different container. I'm gonna go back inside and grab a different container. So this is 4 scoops, and I'm gonna put this thing into there. I wanna mix it with this amount of water. So let's see how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go inside and get a different cup, alright, to mix it, and I'm gonna just leave it there, and I'm gonna just transfer it. Alright, I'm gonna put this down. Where's my clicker? Alright, to be continued, you guys. I'm gonna go inside, get a different cup, because I think volume-wise, if I pour this into there, there's not enough volume in this to be able to not spill it. So, alright, I'll be back. Alright, welcome back, you guys. So I went back inside and I grabbed my big old Venom freaking cup. Theater cup that you, anyways, whatever. It's big enough, it's empty. As you can see, a little bit of water drizzled out because I washed it. But anyways, this for sure will be able to take that amount of water and that much, or that amount of powder. Because, yeah, that's a lot of powder. 4 scoops in this little cup. Yeah, I don't think it's going to work out. So, what I'm going to do is transfer this into this. Alright. Not all of it's in there. Hold up. Alright. A little bit got stuck because there's a little bit of water in the glass cup. Alright. I'm going to break it with the spoon. So it's more or less 4 scoops, but I'm just trying to not waste all of it. So yeah, make sure you guys get like a shaker bottle or just do it in a big cup. I dropped my remote clicker, whatever. Put that right there. So it's going to be about one of these bottles. If you guys have the measuring cups, you put 16 ounces in it, max, it says, with this amount of powder. So I'm going to pour the whole thing. It's like 16.9. 16.9 is almost 1, so I'm gonna leave a little bit out, and then I'm gonna mix it. Those shaker bottles come with those little round ball things, the metal balls, so that when you shake it, it breaks it up more. But whatever you guys got, spoon will work. Well, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna mix it here. I'm gonna pour it back in, so you guys can see the texture of it, see how it looks like. Like mixing Nesquik, making some chocolate milk, but with water. I chose water, so you guys could put milk or whatever you guys want. I got the fudge brownie one, so I'm gonna mix it with water. And another time I'll probably mix it with milk. Nah, I'll just stick with water, but you guys get what I'm saying. It's like making chocolate milk or whatever. But I'm not trying to add more fat into this. It already has. Let's pour that back in. It's a little bit chunky. See that? There's still some left here, so it was obviously not going to be enough. Right, pick up my clicker. Remote fell down. Finally, I had my shaker bottle, but I threw it away because I stopped doing any. At Max, I don't take supplements. Well, like the ones that you buy in GNC and stuff. Like, I have taken like some vitamins or fish oil freaking pills or whatever, because a family member gives me, and we're like, oh, eat one of these, so you, whatever. And I'm like, yeah, it won't hurt me, but just keep an eye on what you guys put in your guys' body. So I'm gonna drink this and then I'll pour in the rest. It's kind of chunky for me. Again, it'll like smooth out more if you use those shaker bottles with the little ball thing and shake it. It'll break up the powder more, but I'll drink it like this. Yeah, tastes like chocolate. Different than Nesquik. Not bad. Alright, let's see, 530 calories in this. So I'm gonna drink whatever's left in here also. And it's gonna make you, or we'll see if it makes me feel full throughout the day. I had one of those bars, MRE bars, and the freaking this thing. There's nothing left in there. Alright, let's mix this thing up a little bit more. That's what we'll do, but you guys gotta be careful because if the powder's not broken up and mixed properly, then you're gonna, it's basically like taking the powder and putting it in your mouth directly without any liquid, so it's like dry as hell. So make sure you have some water on standby to drink. You guys don't want you guys to choke. I am feeling like it's filling me up. So this is 4 scoops. But what I'm gonna do is stretch it out to like 2 months for this powder and put only like 2 scoops in. I'll probably drink this 3 times a day and eat one of those bars every morning. And then I'll do that for as long as I can. And I'll probably give you guys an update in another video. Look at that. There's not that much sugar in it, so it's not sweet, but you could taste like, it's like Nesquik, but without the too much sweetness. Or like the hot chocolate Nestle. Is it Nestle that makes the hot chocolate packets or whatever? It's like making hot chocolate the powder that goes into the water, and then you guys can heat it up or drink it like that, whatever. And it's like instant chocolate mix or hot chocolate. It's like that, more like that, because there's not that much sugar in it. This has less sugar in it, 5 grams of sugar. So let's see for today, since it's past midday, probably just gonna stop here, not eat anything else for the day, and then tomorrow morning, eat one of those bars, and then space it out like 4 hours after I've eaten that bar, drink a cup with 2 scoops in it, 3 more times a day. So total it would be like eating 4 times a day. Okay, I might do it 4 times a day, whatever. It all depends on you guys, on what you guys want to do. You guys could change it up every day, it doesn't matter. Basically, whenever you're hungry, replace it with this, and then if you guys, I don't know, have any health problems or whatever, if you guys are allergic to anything, make sure before you purchase it or try it out, speak to your doctor, or if you know yourself, read the ingredients before you purchase it. I'm not allergic to anything. I'm not lactose intolerant. I gotta eat whatever I want. But if you guys have an allergen or allergic to something, or lactose intolerant because it does have milk in it. Yep, milk, egg, fish, and tree nuts. So do your due diligence before you guys purchase anything. I'm getting full. That's why I'm like slowing down on drinking this. Because like I told you guys, I ate one of those MRE bars and then doing this right like in one sitting. So it's like having a big meal midday. 530 plus 260, that's 790 calories in one sitting. Less than if you were to go to McDonald's or whatever and get like a combo meal or whatever, but still. Yeah, that's what I do notice. If you guys go to a drive-thru, look at how much calories each, whatever you normally eat, look at how much calories you intake, okay? If you guys are trying to, I don't know, use this as a dietary supplement or whatever, freaking lose weight, fat, you guys gotta pay attention to how much fat you put into your body. And then the calories is energy that you need throughout the day. So the harder you work out or sweat or whatever for long periods of time, and it's intense training, then the more calories you need. So you guys will need more than those normal 2,000 calories a day to like give your body. It all depends. You guys could record it or not, whatever. I don't write everything down. I just pay attention to what I'm putting in my body. And like whatever my body tells me, I listen to it. If I'm hungry, I'm gonna eat something. At least drink water. Okay? If I'm fat and I know I got fat to burn, then I could deal with the pain of hunger. Okay? So if you guys have never gone hungry before, kudos to you. You guys are spoiled in comparison to me. But for those of you that haven't been hungry before or have gone hungry, then you guys, this is nothing. There we go. That's everything. Man, I should have bought a shaker bottle so it mixes better. But anyways, it does work through with the spoon. It'll kind of be grainy and stuff because of the oats. You can't really break that down anymore. They're nuts. So yeah, other than that, that was good. And I'm gonna keep this up. Stay tuned for more of my YouTube videos on this. I'm gonna put it under my playlist of physical training or PT. Okay, and stay updated. Give me a like, dislike, comment, subscribe to my channel. If there's that notification button still on YouTube, press that so you guys get updated on when I upload a new video. And yeah, so my plan is to replace my meals. On my weekends though, if I decide to buy a pizza, a box of pizza or some junk food or whatever, then I could do that. For you guys, if you guys are definitely overweight, okay, hence your doctor has told you you guys gotta lose some weight, then you guys gotta control yourselves even more on what you guys put inside your guys' body. So the less amount of fat, okay, that you put into your body, the better. But don't neglect, like don't starve yourselves unless you guys are gonna do intermediate fasting, but not for that long. You can do that, but there's a whole entire thing. But if you guys are gonna do this here, I suggest you guys, if you guys are overweight or fat or trying to get rid of fat, okay, don't be don't be like negative about your own physique or whatever, because that could affect you. If everyone else is telling you that you're skinny if your doctor's telling you you're skinny enough or you're good, okay, don't get, you guys know what I'm talking about. There's those that will be like, oh, I'm fat or whatever, and they're really not fat. They're like anorexic. They want to be looking anorexic. Don't get to that level. Eat. As a matter of fact, you could put this, do this and eat normal foods. If you're underweight, yeah, if you're underweight, it would be it would help you gain weight faster. It's like, yeah, if you guys are underweight, putting this stuff, doing this and eating will help you guys gain weight and freaking bulk up basically faster. So just make sure you guys are working out and like checking off all the boxes of what your body needs first, and then see whether you guys need this as an addition or a replacement or whatever. Me, I'm using this as a replacement until I get rid of like the fat. Once I get, and I'm also gonna be working out and stuff. Like every day, I'm gonna be working out, lifting weights. If you guys seen some of my videos, I have weights down here. I'll pick it up right here. Every now and then, you guys will see me playing video games, and in between freaking cutscenes or whenever I'm not playing, I'm taking a little break. You guys are gonna see me in the little squirt box, just lifting some dumbbells, doing a little bit of workout. Outside of my recordings of YouTube, I will be working out and watching a movie or listening to music on Pandora or something, and work out a little bit. All right, it's only gonna help you guys out. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching this video. Again, give me that like, that dislike, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.